This is a review of the JBL Charge 6 Bluetooth speaker that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are going to test this product out. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so this is the first thing that it comes with. It comes with the strap, so that way you could carry it around with you everywhere, wherever you go. And then we're going to pull this out and show you guys, once we hook it up to it, how it is. So let's take this out right over here. And then right from here, you get the Bluetooth speaker itself, the Charge 6 that we are going to pull out and to show both of these things together and how you exactly use it. Okay, so this is everything that it comes with. It comes with a pouch with a lanyard. Then right over here, it comes with a storage bag with the lanyard as well too. So whenever you're not using it, you just store it up and then use this to tie it up. That way it doesn't fall out. And last but not least, we get the Charge 6 Bluetooth speaker. Now, one thing I love about the speaker is the fact that it's portable. It's super lightweight. You could carry around with you everywhere. It is IP68 waterproof as well too. It also comes with a strap that I also love. It's like a carbon fiber text that really is high quality. And it connects with these two buttons. So you just, one click here, the other click there, and then right over here, you can just carry it around with you everywhere just like that. But one thing I want to do now is that we are going to put this product to a test to show you guys how exactly you use it and the features that it has. Okay, so to turn on the JBL Charge 6, all you have to do is hold this button right over here. That right there lets you know it's on, and then when you hear that sound right there, that beep, then that's where you connect your Bluetooth. So right over here, as I hold this button right over here, that way you pair up to your device, your iOS device, your iPhone, then just connects to it like that. So far I tested the speaker out, and I do want to say that the quality of this is really amazing. It has that deep bass and the clarity is extremely loud. When I played it at full volume, I was amazed at myself on how loud the speaker is. A small compact size product, but it packs a huge amount of punch when it comes to the bass and the clarity. I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it's IP68 waterproof. You could carry around with you everywhere. It comes with the lanyard. That way you can move around easily with this. So you could, move it to a pool. You could go to a party, pretty much everywhere. And also the fact that it has a 28-hour battery life as well too. It lasts over a day. And that is a long, span of battery life that this product has. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a portable, lightweight party speaker that can move around with you everywhere, and it's extremely loud. It has that clarity, that bass. And this one right over here from JBL Charge 6 is probably one of the best party speakers you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.